One snowy day was flakes so new. 3 little kittens came into view. Tinker and Luna and Milo too. Ready for fun, meow. How about you? Pounce, pounce, pounce in the soft white snow. Tiny little paw prints, where do they go? Snow on whiskers, snow on ears. Silly kittens full of cheer. They build a snowman, round and grand. Then oops, a button falls from a paw, unplanned. The kittens giggle, a funny sight, rolling the button with all their might. Float goes a snowflake on a tiny nose. A chilly tingle down it goes. Tiptoe, tap-toe, soft and light. The sky sends kisses, pure and white. A long red scarf, a cozy sight. Run, little kittens, with all your might. Milo gets tangled, Luna spins. Tinker pounces, everybody wins. The fire is warm, the world is cold. Tired little kittens, brave and bold. What a day of fun and play. Best snow day, hip hip hooray. Bye-bye kittens, from the frosty pane. See you soon for more fun and games. Meow meow friends, the day is done. Snow day over, what a fun one.